Hey, what's going on? This is Minister Gold. This is a mixed up tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a raid message command so that when everybody leaves, they have something to, or before everybody leaves, everyone has something to copy and paste in the chat that they'll be raiding into. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. If you'd like to chat with me about mixing up Twitch, gaming, life in general, follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. Okay, so the version that we're on right now is 1.2.0.12. And let me go to the commands. We're going to set up two commands here. So we have a raid message command and a set raid message command. Let's look at the set raid message command first. In here, we're going to add a special identifier. Okay. We just call it raid message. And the value will be $all args, so everything after set raid message. Make it globally usable so that any other command can use it, such as the raid message command. And that's it for this. And then we'll go to the raid message command. And this is going to output two raid messages, okay? One is for those who are subbed, and one is for those who are not subbed. For those who are not subbed, you want to put emotes in that anybody on Twitch can use, regardless of them following anybody or being subbed to anybody. Just globally usable emotes. So if they're not subbed, I have $raid message, then my emote, and I just have that 3 times. So you can decide how many times you want to do it. So this is a chat message. And then for the second chat message, we have $raid message, and I have TwitchCon hype is the emote that I've chosen. So if I go set raid message gold raid, and I go raid message, then you'll see this. So if you're subbed, you copy the first message. If you're not subbed, you copy the second message. And this is what we'll raid in with, whether you're subbed or unsubbed. That way, no matter what, everyone who's raiding in will have a message that they can post in. And as far as like how to find global emotes, let's see, let's click on this. Let's click on, let's see. So it's Alhobia. Let's go to the very bottom. Okay, right here where it says global emotes, these are all the emotes you can use. So any one of these would be fine. So yeah, just click on the, let me close this. Click on the emoticon icon thing right here to the right of the chat box that you type in. Scroll to the bottom for the global emotes. And this is what you can use for unsubbed users. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That is how you set up a raid message command. Again, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos like these. If you'd like to talk with me about gaming, Twitch, mix it up, life in general, please follow me on twitch.tv/ministergold. And thanks for watching. All right, adios.